Want to know how to add a progress counter to your code or modify your code and add a progress counter? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created a video on how to use Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. It's on our channel right here. So in order to add a progress counter, it's super simple. So you can just simply select the entire code by selecting Ctrl+A, and here you should be seeing quick edit. It should be right beside add to chat. And now once you have clicked quick edit, here you should be seeing edit selected code. So you can just simply type in this prompt right here. So once you have selected that, just simply select enter, and then you should be good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. So you can just simply see in a minute that your code should be changed that way. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.